In this video lesson, I would like to explain to you when the breakout happens on the market. Is it bearish or bullish? And what is the validation of verification of the successful bullish or bearish breakout? Here on the chart, I will use gold against US dollar on the 4-hour time frame. And I will show you several of the bearish and bullish breakouts when they happen on the market. And the rule is, whenever the price goes above, for example, this resistance, forms a candle and closes the candle above, this will mean that the price has formed a bullish breakout. Just for example, in this here, when the price has formed this bullish candle that has stuck above this resistance level here and closed the candle above. The bearish breakout is when the price goes below the support level, like in this example, when the candle closes its body below the support level, like in this here. So we have a bearish candle that has closed the price just below the support level. So this is a bearish breakout. This, for example, is a bullish breakout. Very important levels in creating a breakout is support and resistance levels, as you can see on the chart. The brown area around these horizontal lines is called a support and supply and demand zones. A supply zone is on the resistance level right here. A demand zone is above support level. So here on this line, which can be a support and resistance based how the market looks on this line, it has demand zone here and supply zone here. Now the breakouts, if we take a look here from here to the rest here, all the markets, you will see several breakouts. Whenever the price goes with the candle body above the resistance level, it is a bullish breakout. It was right here, then it was right here. Bullish breakout was here, then we have right here, then we have here, then we have right here, then we have right here, then we have here. We do not have it here. It is always, the price is dropping, so there is no bullish. Here is another bullish breakout, and here is another bullish breakout. Now, in order to trade breakouts, you can start trading immediately after the breakout has been formed on the chart. Second way is to wait second candle that should close, not going back. If this bullish breakout, the candle should not close its price below the support level. It should close at the support level minimum. If it closes a little bit above, it is also good. If it is closing above this candle body, for example right here, it is also good. The verification of the bullish breakout is when the price closes above. If it returns back down, it will be failed bullish breakout, and usually the price goes in the opposite direction of the breakout. So in this case, the price would go down. I will explain this with examples here. If we start from this area here, we are looking for the bullish breakouts. So the bullish breakout has been formed right here because the candle has closed above this resistance level. The next candle has confirmed this bullish breakout as a valid one because this candle body did not close below this support level. It has closed right here, very close where the upper price, and this was a confirmation of this bullish breakout where it is expected the price will continue to rise up to the next resistance, and this is something that has happened. In this case, where we have a bullish breakout, and the bullish breakout has been confirmed with the next candle, where the candle did not return all the way back down. But we can see as on the next candle, it was an indecision candle, and after that, the next candle has created this bullish breakout, even though it was verified as a correct one, successful one. This trade was a bad trade. Why? The market do not follow always the same conditions. So I cannot say this is a bulletproof 100 trades out of 100 trades will be successful. No. If you take the analysis, you will see majority of these trades with the bullish or bearish breakouts, even though are validated, they are successful. You will see that. In this case, the price is following down, moving down. Then we have here a bullish breakout here because the price was going above the resistance level. The second candle has been verified, but it has took the price all the way back up, and the price has gone above the second resistance. This was also a bullish breakout because the price has gone above this resistance level. So the second candle should confirm this one as a valid one, not returning back down. So this was a confirmation of this bullish breakout. So I'm expecting the price will go to the next resistance level. And if we follow this one, we can see that the price did not close below this support level, but it has reached the target. After that, the price returned back down. Now on the next bullish breakout, we can see that this bullish breakout has been validated with the next candle, but the price has continued just like in this example, all the way above this resistance level. So in this case, the price already reached the take profit level, so we would skip this one. We would not wait for confirmation with the next candle. Then the next bullish breakout was here, or you can also take this one here, which has been confirmed with this candle after the price has reached again the take profit already with this one, so we would skip this one. But the next candle here, it is also a bullish breakout where we can see that the candle body has closed above this resistance. The next candle did not return all the way back down. With the closing candle body up below, the price continued to rise and reach the take profit level. We did not found this kind of confirmation where the candle has returned back down but not closing below, but the price continued to rise value and reach the take profit level. This is something that I am telling you, that there is a two-way of trading. You can open the trade right here and target the take profit level here, or you could wait for the second candle to close right here and then follow the trade to close at the profit level. These are two ways of trading. You can select each one. If you select to follow with second candle as a confirmation, you will have less trade available, because there are less trades that are available, like in this example where the second candle has closed right here, so you have opportunity to trade and wait for the profit to take the profit level right above. If you trade this one, whenever the trade has been formed here and reached this candle closing as a bullish breakout, there are no second candles and waiting for the price to reach the take profit level. These are also the ways how to trade. Then we have here another. We do not have here a bullish breakout because the price do not have a candle closing above. This small one doesn't count, and also this one doesn't count because did not go above the resistance level. Now in this example, we have here a bullish breakout because the price has gone above the resistance. The price has formed, the candle has closed with the candle body above this resistance level. The next candle has continued to rise in value and reach the take profit level. It has confirmed this bullish breakout. The price returned all the way back down. The price formed another bullish breakout right here, where the price is closed above this very important, you can see that, resistance level, which has prevented the price from going up. So after the price formed on the 4-hour time frame, this bullish breakout, we can see that the next candle did not return back down with the candle body. The candle body did not close below this support level, which means the support is very strong and it will support this bullish breakout. After that, we can see that the candle body has been formed where the candle body has closed above this open and close, but the next candle has been bearish. So currently I am expecting that the price will continue to rise in value and reach start of this resistance level area, which is a supply zone where most of these candles touches. So I would speak that my take profit would be right here where most of these candles touches this line. So my take profit would be just, for example, like right here around 2326 or 2324 as a start one. We can see that the lower side of these candles is 2324 price level. So this would be the first take profit, second one would be 2326. So this is the way how to trade the bullish breakouts. As I said, these bullish breakouts are not 100% bulletproof. They could be also a false one if they are being confirmed as this one. This could also return all the way back down, not reaching the take profit level. What is important, the candle body open and close, not the wicks, because in this example you can see that the price is all the way back down with a wick, but on the 4-hour time frame did not close below, which is a confirmation of this bullish breakout as a valid one. So we will see how this goes, but I am expecting for the price to reach an area very close to this one, 232913, a resistance area and supply zone. If you have any questions regarding this topic about the bullish or bearish breakout and validation and verification of each of these, feel free to ask below in the comments. I will try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading.